Hi guys, my name is Shami. Today I'm going to present about screen recorder tools that very useful for people that who want to record their tasks or for daily work. For this tool, it's free and anyone can download it, and it's very user friendly, and it's called OBS Studio. So today I'm going to show you some advantages that have in this free tool. So let's go. So I'm going to set up it. As you can see, I'm gonna click add button. For the display capture, I'm gonna click display capture. This is for display capture, and if you click add this display capture, you can add it for screen recorder. And for the webcam, you can add video capture device, and you can setting it for other setting that's suitable for you. As you can see, audio input capture, you can add it, and many more. For you can add for this video, I'm gonna explain more about video capture device and display capture. So as you can see, it's a bit of webcam in here. So in this video, I'm gonna off the webcam and only on the screen recorder. So as you can see here, this is actually audio mixer, audio input capture. It's capture internal audio. As you can see here, desktop audio. It's actually detect internal audio too, and for mic, it's detect external audio. As you can see here, this is a reaction for its detect my voice at my mic. And next, we're gonna go to the scene transition. You can choose whether you want to swipe, slide, or stinger. Have this OBS Studio have variety of transition. You can enter it or name it by yourself, and yeah, you can slide setting the transition like that. And the duration, you can setting it. Next, we're gonna go to the control. From the control, you can see start streaming. This is for a streaming purpose use. You can setting it. For your server. You can use for streaming Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and restream Twitter or etc. And next, we're gonna go to the start recording. This is a start recording button. If you click this, the screen capture it's already recorded your video, and you can pause it, you can resume it, you can stop it. And next, start virtual camera. This is for virtual camera, the webcam use purpose, and this is for studio mode. As you can see, this is a preview and program. You can set a transition that you want, and fade transition. This is a type of transition you can use for the studio mode, and you can edit it. So next, I'm gonna show you some example that I have already recorded. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna open it, video that I have recorded using this OBS Studio. Hello guys, my name is Shami. Today I'm gonna explain more about how to open your incognito web for the safety for your when you surfing the internet in a Chrome browser. So I'm gonna open Chrome browser and go to the customize and control Google Chrome, and I'm gonna click new incognito window, and it's at page you have the setup, and you can serve it your whatever you want to serve in this Google Chrome. Example, I'm gonna search YouTube, and you have serve it and save for your daily use serving in Google Chrome. And that's all. Thank you for watching. So as you can see, there is an example that video that I have recorded using the OBS Studio. So yeah, thank you for watching my video.